This is my tutorial for a fall-themed snow globe tumbler. I'm prepping my acrylic tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and wiping down with 91% alcohol. Then I'll be ready to start adding all my fall leaf stencils. I have the fall leaf outlines and saying in my Etsy shop if you're interested. I'll post the links to them down below in the description box. So a couple weeks ago, or was it last week? I can't remember. I know. Okay, so anyway, I know. I said I would stop doing the glitter globes and returning to stainless steel tumblers right about now, but one of y'all introduced me to Water Talk on the TikTok, and Lord, I now need an acrylic tumbler for each season for my water. Blame yourselves, fam. Blame yourselves. I have never drank so much water in my life over this last few weeks. So I guess it's a blessing and a curse, but Lord. When you're all done adding your stencils, base paint your tumbler. I'm using a tan color called Skinny Dip from Colorshot, but any tan color will work. We'll be doing the tack it method again on this design, or it's not really tack it. I'm using foil glue, so it's like the foil glue method. I don't know. Y'all know what I mean, but I'm using the foil glue from Southern Belle Glitters along with PDB's Gilded and Times Square. I may be partial since I kind of curated these two gorgeous glitters, but they make such pretty fall. It's like the most perfect fall combination. I mean, y'all, go get you some. Go get you some. Now you actually only have to do this step once, adding the glue and then pressing down your glitter into the glue. But I noticed some bald patches where my glitter was concerned, like I didn't put enough glue down in the first place. Like when I first put the glue layer down, I didn't put enough glue, or maybe it was too watery. I don't know what happened, but I had bald spots. So I'm gonna do a second coat, but you don't have to do a second coat unless you want to. I mean, it's up to you. But I did it out of necessity. I had some bald spots going on, y'all. To really flatten down my glitter and make sure it's nice and flat, I'm going to do our paper towel and 91% alcohol trick. Now that our glitter is nice and flat, be sure to seal your glitter before you pull your stencils. You don't want to permanently dull your acrylic tumbler by sealing those scuff marks from the earlier sanding. And yes, ma'am, extra glitter is needed. I mixed Hickory into my epoxy and I'm now applying it along the top and bottom and bringing it into the middle, kind of like a double or like a waterfall effect, like a going down and then going towards the middle. So yeah, so the glitter will come down from the top and then up from the bottom. But you can add it anywhere you like or not at all, but you're gonna do it, okay? Just do it. Do it. Okay, so I didn't feel like weeding, so I made some foil water slides. If you guys have worked with these outlines at all before, I think I introduced them, was it last year or the year before? Anyway, it's a lot of weeding, and I was just feeling lazy, fam. But you can absolutely use regular vinyl or even textured vinyl to get this look. Like I said, I wasn't feeling I can't stand weeding. For all those out there who like to weed, something's wrong with y'all. I'm sorry. I love you, but no. When I was all done adding my water slide, I waited until it was completely dry, and then I sealed with a coat of epoxy, and then I was ready to mix some glitter. If you guys would like to see how I make my foil water slides, I have several tutorials on my channel. I'm trying to think. I will post the most recent tutorial we did. I think it was back in April, or was it March? I think it was March. Anyways, I'll put that one in the upper right-hand corner of your screen if you'd like to check it out. While our tumbler cures, let's mix our custom glitter. And y'all, this color, oh my word, y'all, this color. I contacted Suzanne from PDB after I mixed this fall in a cup glitter, and I begged her to make a custom mix for us, and she said yes. So if you don't have all of these colors, Suzanne will have this custom mix available in the near future. It takes a couple months to produce the custom glitters, but I'm thinking it'll pop up just in time for all your gorgeous fall tumblers. I'll let you guys know when it's available. Meanwhile, make this mix because you shall be seeing it again in the very near future for a tutorial. I went ahead and filled and sealed my snow globe using the custom mix. Look at it, y'all. Is it not gorgeous? If you'd like to see how I fill and seal my snow globes, I'll place a link to my first snow globe tutorial in the upper right hand corner of your screen. As usual, these tumblers need no decal, but I decided to add one. I sealed till smooth, and then I was all done. Fam, I know I have my summer lovers out there, and I'll pray for y'all. I pray for y'all on the daily, by the way, but fall is the best season, and I am living for this tumbler. I can almost feel the crisp air, sweaters, and smell the bonfires. Fall is life. Fight me. Where are all my fall lovers at? Post up in the comments. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your fall snow globe acrylic tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!